Hi all. So currently I'm working on one of the end-to-end ML project, and I found that uh, since I'm very fan of Jupyter Notebook because we can see actual result output in easiest format, and so most of the time I was working in Jupyter Notebook till now. I was I have decided that this is my favorite, and I will continue with this Jupyter notebook only. But while currently I'm learning this end-to-end project with Chris sir for ML project development deployment. During that, I found out that maybe this is my first time. So this is one of the eureka moment for me. What I have found that we can work like we can use Jupyter Notebook in VS Code only. So this was I really got surprised, and I think in future as well I will continue with using this Jupyter Notebook wala thing in VS Code only. So uh, this is one of the easiest way to use both features, like from Jupyter Notebook in VS Code only. So I can have like better control over my ML project related thing. So that's I wanted to share. So if you have anything related similar with this, please let me know, because henceforward I will continue with using VS Code features and Jupyter Notebook in one platform only, that is VS Code only. So this is the I like this kind of integration part of thing. So that's it for today, and this is for short what like program related stream for what I have learned today. So that's it for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good day. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Goodbye.